In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Shopify to bank account. The key idea is that money doesn't move directly from Shopify itself. It's routed through your payment providers, and those providers deposit payouts into the bank account you've connected with them. I'll show you exactly where to set this up in your Shopify Admin so your sales end up in your bank reliably. First, open your Shopify Admin in your browser and sign in. From the left-hand sidebar, go down to Settings. This is your control center for everything behind the scenes. Inside Settings, choose Payments. The Payments page is where you decide which gateways process your customers' payments and how those funds get paid out to you. If you plan to accept PayPal and have those funds reach your bank via your PayPal account, click Activate PayPal. You'll be guided to connect your PayPal account. Make sure you use the correct PayPal login and that your PayPal account is properly set up for business. Payouts from PayPal follow PayPal's own schedule and settings, and you can link your bank within your PayPal account to move those funds to your bank. Next, if you want to enable another way to get paid, click Add Payment Method. This is useful if you'd like to accept cards or local payment options that pay out directly to your bank through a specific provider. In the window that opens, use the search bar to find your payment provider. Type the name you're looking for and select it. Each provider will guide you through its onboarding, where you'll confirm business details and specify the bank account for payouts. Availability, fees, currencies, and payout times vary by country and provider, so choose the one that fits your business needs best. You can also choose a provider for third-party websites. This option shows you supported gateways based on your region. Pick the provider you want, follow their instructions to connect your account, and return to Shopify where it will appear under your active payment methods. Once you've completed these configurations, your customers can check out using the methods you enabled, and the provider will capture the funds and send payouts to the bank account you connected with them. Be sure to review payout schedules, any reserve or hold policies, and the currency you'll be paid in. If you're just getting started, consider running a small test order to confirm everything flows correctly from order to payout. Also, keep your business and identity verification up to date with your provider to avoid delays. That's it. By configuring payments, activating PayPal if you use it, and adding or choosing the right payment provider, you ensure your Shopify sales are deposited directly into your bank account on a predictable schedule.